I think the top question that I'm getting right now is what is going on with the real estate market and when are prices going to drop? And while I don't have a crystal ball, I do have some market snapshots that will give us an idea of how the market's trending in comparison to May of 2022. Let's start with 30A homes. So the number of closed homes this May is pretty much on par with the number of homes sold last year in May, with 102 this year and 109 in the previous year. So we maintained a 94% of closed transactions year over year, which still shows the strength of our market in the area. Where we did see a bit of a dip were the number of listings that went pending in the month of May. Now this may be early signs of the summer slowdown or a lack of inventory or higher interest rates, but nonetheless, this is not having an overall impact on the values that we're seeing close here along 30A. On the luxury end of 30A, we saw year-over-year growth in the top dollar values sold as well as the average price per square foot. Where we did see a little bit of pullback was on the real estate floor, or the more affordable side of our housing market, which I believe is directly related to the higher interest rates and the loss of buying power. So sellers are having to meet buyers in their comfort zones in order to get their properties from listed to sold. Now for 30A condos. While we did see a slowdown in the number of closed contracts as well as new listings that went pending for the month of May, we did see a steady increase in the real estate ceiling, the floor, and the average price per square foot on all closed transactions. Decreased sales and pending contracts can directly be related to a lack of inventory, which is what happens when those that have bought over the past couple of years are happy with their investments. All in all, the data shows that 30A condos are still in hot demand and are selling at top dollar. Moving over to Panama City Beach homes. Panama City Beach overall saw an 11% decrease in the number of homes sold for the month of May. Now that's not to say that the real estate market is slowing down. In fact, for new listings that went pending, we saw a 104% increase year over year, as well as seeing notable increases in both the real estate floor and the real estate ceiling. May 2022 saw the highest home sale for $7.5 million, while May 2023 smashed this with a closing of $10.7 million. In addition, we saw the real estate floor rise as well, moving transactions from $115,000 to $250,000. Panama City Beach condos. Similar to the homes division, Panama City Beach condos saw a slight dip in the number of real estate contracts that went closed for the month of May. While we did see an uptick in the number of listings that went pending, moving from 60 to 70. Dissimilar to the homes, the pricing ceiling and floor in Panama City Beach took a hit in both categories. While in May of 2022, we saw the highest priced condos sell for $1.3 million, in May of 2023, we only saw 94% of that value close, with a closing at $1.2 million. Affordable condos also took a hit, with the most affordable condo of 2023 coming in at $125,000. One thing that is consistent and true across both the 30A and Panama City Beach real estate markets is that luxury listings are holding their values well, while more affordably priced listings are having to cave to the pressures of buyers losing buying power due to higher interest rates. Another common that we're seeing across both markets is an increased number of days on market. While certain desirable locations are still moving at record paces of last year, in general, we are starting to see the pace of pent-up demand catch up with our current market conditions. If you like this market snapshot for May and want to stay informed about the 30A and Panama City Beach real estate markets, then follow my page and I'll see you back next week for another chat.